Follow your nose, unraveling English idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, follow your nose. Idioms can be tricky for language learners, but they are a fun and essential part of mastering English. So, let's get started and explore what follow your nose really means. Before we dive into our specific idiom, let's first understand what an idiom is. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. Idioms are often used in everyday language and are a key part of understanding and speaking English fluently. Idioms can add color and personality to our language. The phrase, follow your nose, has a literal meaning. Imagine you are smelling something delicious, like freshly baked cookies. If you follow the smell, or your nose, it will lead you to the cookies. In this literal sense, following your nose means to go in the direction from which a particular smell is coming. In a figurative sense, follow your nose has a different meaning. It is often used to advise someone to trust their instincts or intuition when they have to make a decision or find their way. It suggests that sometimes our natural instincts or a sense of direction can guide us better than a set map or plan. Let's look at some examples of how this idiom is used in everyday conversation. 1. Directions. If someone asks for directions and the path is straightforward, you might say, just follow your nose, and you'll get there. 2. Decision-making. When someone is unsure about a decision, you might encourage them by saying, follow your nose. It usually leads you in the right direction. Idioms like, follow your nose, add richness to the English language and can be quite fun to learn. Remember, when it comes to idioms, the key is to understand their figurative meaning rather than their literal one. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using idioms like a native speaker. Until next time, happy learning!